Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to clean the dog tray and water tanks on ROBOROCK Saros 20. First, let's talk about water tanks. If I remove them from the top, you can't really see them now, but well, if you're cleaning them, you probably have removed them at least once in your life. So yeah, there's the dirty water tank and there's the clean water tank. You see they are marked. This is a clean one and this is the dirty one. Now you should, if you're cleaning them, then you should empty them, including the clean water tank as well. You should also empty it. So if there's any water inside, empty it. Then you can rinse it with water. You can also clean it like you would clean the dishes, with a sponge and cleaning detergent. Then let it dry and it's ready to be filled again with clean water and put back into the station. The same goes to the dirty water tank, but just don't fill it with any water. Once it's dried after cleaning, you just put it in empty. Now the tray. Once I remove the robot, there's a tray on the inside. You can very easily remove it like that in order to clean it manually. It can be cleaned and it should be cleaned to prevent mold and to obtain best mop self-washing results. And you can either rinse it with water, or if there's anything more needed, you can also clean it like you would the dishes. Yeah, and that is basically it. Then put it back in, make sure it sits well. So slide it in until it clicks and then put it down so it sits there well. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.